this video I'm going to give you an amazing trick that will make you more confident on the spot. So it's not one of these strategies that were designed to shift your mindset in the long term to make you more confident, but it's something that you can utilize pretty much straight away. So right after watching this video, you can go to any social situation and literally within minutes you can make yourself feel more confident and make yourself more talkative. You can essentially change your state. And this trick involves your mobile phone. So, imagine that you're about to enter a little bit uncomfortable situation. For example, you're going for a date. Maybe you are about to attend a team meeting or any business meeting. Maybe you have to deliver a presentation in the next 10 or 15 minutes. How do you feel? Especially how do you feel when you are going there on your own, when you don't have people around you? You probably have some sort of self-doubt, maybe some negative self-talk, some negative internal dialogue, all right? Now, what's happening is that you can cultivate this self-doubt. When the self-doubt creeps in, you keep thinking about certain things. For example, when you go for a date, will that person approve of me? Will he or she like me? Okay? Will it work out? What you can do instead, you can pick up your phone and you can call your imaginary friend. So for example, you say, "Hello Pedro, how are you doing?" "I'm doing perfectly well. I'm going for a date now. Can you believe in that? 2 days ago I met this amazing woman, and right now I'm going there and I'm very excited." And I know you may think that it sounds a little bit strange. It may sound a little bit weird, okay? But the truth is that if you do it, it's gonna shift your state, because you're gonna get yourself into this talkative state. Because think about it. When you're on your own and you haven't spoken for a long time, your muscles, your facial muscles are not warmed up. You haven't been speaking, so whenever you have to start speaking again, you are not used to it, all right? You are jumping into this cold water. So you can warm yourself up using your mobile phone. Also, you can make yourself feel more positive because you can choose the topics you are discussing, because essentially you are talking to yourself. So you can speak about your accomplishments, you can speak about this one amazing trip you had. It doesn't really matter what you are talking about. What matters is that you keep yourself engaged. You keep these negative thoughts away and you get yourself into the talkative state. Now you may be thinking, what if all these people around know that I'm actually not talking to anybody else, that nobody else is on the other side of the line? The truth is that nobody will ever know it. Nobody will have any clue, because people don't pay attention to you. People pay attention to themselves and to people who are with them. How many people have you seen on the street talking on their mobile phone? Loads of them, right? Do you pay attention to what they are saying? No, you don't care. You pretty much don't care. Even if somebody was following you, if somebody was walking right next to you and was listening to you all the time, he or she wouldn't have any context. He or she wouldn't even have a clue that there is nobody on the other side. And it's an amazing trick that can boost your confidence just like this.